Get ready to ignite your curiosity with the explosive Volcano Experiment. This captivating activity blends fun with science, showcasing a dynamic reaction that's sure to leave a lasting impression on young minds. Every child loves a thrilling eruption, and this project uses safe, everyday materials to create a mini volcanic spectacle right in their home or classroom. To embark on this science journey, gather the essential materials: baking soda, vinegar, dish soap, optional food coloring, a small container or plastic bottle, a tray, measuring spoons, and safety goggles for a whimsical touch. The tray is crucial, catching the bubbly overflow from your eruption. As you set up the scene, excitement builds. There's magic in the air, ready to unleash. The first step involves constructing the volcano structure. Place your small container in the center of the tray, creating a sturdy base for the eruption. As you add approximately 2 tablespoons of baking soda into the container, the anticipation grows. Next, a squirt of dish soap makes its debut, helping to generate fluffy foam. If you're feeling adventurous, add a few drops of food coloring to transform your ooze into vivid lava hues. A vibrant volcano is bound to captivate any audience. Now, the moment of truth arrives with the vinegar. Slowly pour about half a cup into the baking soda mixture. Instantly, fizzing and bubbling commence, releasing streams of carbon dioxide gas, the real stars of the show. Bubbles surge forth, mimicking the engaging flow of molten lava, showcasing the beauty of a chemical reaction. This exhilarating experience not only dazzles the viewers, but also lays the foundation for an exciting discussion about acid-base reactions. Once the eruption settles, take a moment to explain the science behind the spectacle. When vinegar, an acid, and baking soda, a base mix, they interact to produce carbon dioxide, creating the enchanting foam. This dynamic illustrates fundamental scientific concepts, making it perfect for young learners eager to understand the world. Encourage budding scientists to experiment further. Altering the proportions of baking soda or vinegar can lead to varied eruption heights and foam quantities. Consider different food coloring combinations and add glitter for an extra touch of magic. With so many possibilities, the Volcano Experiment becomes an evolving adventure. Always wrap up with a reminder to clean up the area. Science can be messy but so rewarding. As young scientists engage with this experiment, encourage them to share their thoughts and ideas for future projects.